Backpacks are the best companion for those travels a lot, and it is the most exciting, stylish and functional thing. It allows travelers to keep all the stuff at the same place. Backpacks are great especially when you need to go to a trip or you want to take it for commuting. And that's exactly why today I'll be reviewing a very affordable anti-theft backpack from a company called Pacters that will just cost you 1700 Indian rupees, which is roughly equal to $26. Excited? So let's get started. Before we get started, if you guys will find this video useful, then do consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that you get notified for our future videos. Starting with the design and build quality, the backpack is fairly compact at 45 cm tall, 30 cm wide and 13 cm thick. It uses very durable and strong polyester throughout the bag with additional inner layer of fabric to combine for anti-shock and anti-cut proofing. I had my hands on the black version, which looks really great. The exterior has a clean and minimal approach with essentially an outer shell on all front and sides. There is no denying the quality material of the exterior shell and handle. Thick, seamless stitching and padding ensure a robust feel to the touch while adding substance in durability. This backpack features a front lid that opens at 90 to 180 degrees. In fact, this allows yippies to set the pack down and view their belongings in a suitcase style. Likewise, the many pockets allows for division of items in whatever manner suits your best. This backpack includes a stealth zipper design, thereby keeping sneaky hands out of your bag. In fact, no zipper appears on the front face of the bag or sides. This was the first backpack I became aware of that had all the zippers located on the back of the bag, which is the primary characteristics that makes this an anti-theft backpack. While wearing the bag, it is impossible for anyone to access any pockets without sticking his or her hands between your back and the bag. There is also a hidden pocket on the left strap to keep items like your cards accessible on the road without the need to expose the main compartment. Like every other anti-theft backpack in the market, there is a USB port on the outside of the bag to plug in a phone charger cable. Plus, there is also a 3.5mm jack, which is a welcome addition that is quite uncommon in this price segment. Talking about its interior organization, the backpack multi-inner layer built a rugged structure, providing anti-shock protection to your gear. The rugged structure also means it won't deform or become deflated over time with use. A normal carry for me includes all the daily essentials you would want for your day-to-day activities. My 13-inch MacBook Air, Bluetooth headphones, couple of chargers, hard drive, power bank, sunglasses, a book and maybe a water bottle. I could store all these in the dedicated storage options. Surprisingly, for a compact backpack with 10 liters of space, it's impressive it could hold all of these without seeing the bulk on the backpack. The bag only has one real compartment, so it's a plus that there are organizational pockets inside of it. Like any laptop bag, it has a padded laptop sleeve on the back that could probably fit a 15-inch laptop and a smaller tablet sleeve large enough for an iPad mini or Kindle. On the front side of the compartment, there are 3 padded slots, 2 on the bottom and 1 at the top. One of the bottom pockets is large and intended for a thermos, while the other can store items like power cords or glasses. The one at the top can store additional small items and also has a zippered compartment good for pencil, pens, lip balm, etc. Since my primary usage of the bag was for work or commuting, the interior organization was absolutely essential. The simplicity and limited number of pockets actually worked to its advantage as most item naturally falls in 1 or 2 places. The padding on the bag, though basic and seemingly inexpensive, was effective in terms of comfort. The bag did feel soft against my back and not overly stiff even with the laptop inside. The strap padding however feels thin and a bit cheap because it compresses and deforms quite easily. If I had to guess, it's using a thin layer of open cell foam. For my use it was fine, but I get the feeling that over time with slightly heavier load, it will lose its shape and remain thin like a flat pillow. So overall the backpack places security in mind and does a fantastic job at that. The minimal exterior design is attractive to look at and comfortable to wear. So if you're planning to buy an anti-theft backpack under a price bracket of $26, then I think this could be a better choice. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.